This video will show you how to use Total Community Manager's Land Trust Project Management tool. The first thing you need to do in TCM's Land Trust Manager is to select the property you want to create the project in. Then you go to the Add Project icon, and because of the amount of typing, we're going to be using a Word document to help us out. The project name will be added here, and then the project description. We'll select the start date and then the date the project is due. You see here that the project has now been created with a description, the start date, the due date. It automatically shows it's active. When it's complete, we'll check complete, or if it's being used for monitoring purposes, we could do that here. Then we're going to select the status, and then we'll select the specific task. Then we'll save it. And then we'll open up the full working model within that little arrow. We'll put in the description. And the due date for this will be February 7th. We assigned it today, and then we will update it. Next thing we need to do is to create a new task. This is going to be assigned. Reach out to the State Developmental Disability Self-Advocacy Group. We will save it. We will open it up and then put in the description. And this will be assigned today with a due date of February 1st. We now want to make sure we have the right people assigned to this to help with the projects. And we can assign multiple people for this project. When a project is complete, we will open it up, change the status to complete. We will put in status notes if we want. And then we could put the outcome in. We'll go back to the General tab, make sure the information is correct. It was completed on the 25th. We'll then update, and you can keep track of all your tasks within a specific project and create multiple projects within a specific property. We also have the ability to run specific reports for this, showing you complete update and everything that you need. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact us at support@tcmgr.com or 207-956-8264.